a ton of programs where you can donate your bike. They get shipped to Africa and they get given away to very poor people for free, and that's fantastic. And we have no issues with that. It does a lot of great work. The issue is what happens when those bikes break down, what happens when those bikes need new tires and new derailleurs, all the things that we deal with as cyclists on a daily basis. So out of this idea came, we need to establish bicycle shops.
Ladies and gentlemen, Team Saxo Band. Tour, California, Mr. JJ Hayato. And as I'm sure all of you have been watching the Spring Classics and have noticed people who are riding quite swiftly in those amazing events, Mr. Matty Brushall. One of the young guns on the Saxo Bank team, and a couple years back, the leader in the junior series for the racing in the European races, Mr. Andre Stinson. The man who goes by many names. The Red Hammer, Spartacus, the Swiss Bear, winner of the 2010 Tour of Flanders and Paris-Roubaix, Olympic gold champion, world champion in the time trial. I need to stop there because we could go all night. Mr. Fabien Cancellara.
I also heard that you did 1,000 watts for 5 minutes, followed by 500 watts for the rest of the race.
And then you're more informed than me. Where are you working actually?
So I have my sources. But I can understand 1,000 watts, I can understand 500 watts maybe for a period of time, but how on earth do you recover from the Muir to then put in that time trial performance to get to the end?
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Chris. Wish I was there, but unfortunately I don't know yet. But have a great night.
Chris.
Alright. Happy birthday, Chris.
Happy birthday, Chris.
Happy birthday, Chris.
Pop treats. 1, 2, 3, go.
Action. Happy birthday, Chris. Do it like you did before and keep up the morale high. Happy birthday.
Saxo Bank on 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, you too.
I get
Very nice.
Come on.
Thank you guys all for the pictures.